We are so lucky that the best falafel chef around lives in our house. Obviously my mom. And today we're going to teach you how to be the best too, so that you don't have to keep going and buying overpriced falafel. Sorry to restaurant owners, but that is just the truth. So this step is going to take place overnight. Soaking your chickpeas. Set that aside. Present day. Now you're going to chop up some onion, some parsley, and some cilantro. And just put that all straight into that bowl. Oh yeah, and my mom also says that if you follow this recipe to a T, it should work out great, and it's very simple, so maybe this time don't experiment, just so you can nail it the first time. Then you can try different things. But yeah, so keep that all in the same bowl, add some salt, add some pepper, and some cumin. And also some garlic powder. Mix that all up and stick it in a food processor and let it process and make sure everything gets blended very nicely until you start getting this green paste. Then you're going to take half of that mixture and you're going to put it in a bowl. So half is going to be half a teaspoon of baking soda, and that's a very crucial step. Do not put more, otherwise it'll start to taste bitter, and make sure you put it all around as much as you can. And then moving on to the oil, we use avocado oil because it's healthier. Also, it's in the long run, it's going to be a lot cheaper than buying it from outside of the house. Also, you don't know what type of oil these restaurants are using, how long they've been using it. So this makes sure that you're going to get some really good food, and everything that's going into your body is good for you. So yeah, prioritize your health and be cheaper. I think that's a win-win for me. And now you're going to move on to actually making it. Make sure your oil is very hot, and then you're going to, so the way that little falafel machine works is you hold it down and you stuff it while you're holding down, and then you literally release just to that little trigger she's holding, you release it to drop it into the oil. It's super simple. I bet she bought it off Amazon, and you can find one too. It does not need to be fancy, it's the recipe that matters. So yeah, once those start to turn a nice golden brown, then you're going to take them out of the oil. Yeah, shake it a little bit, shake it of the oil a little bit, and set that in a strainer to the side, and just go through this whole process again so that you can get all of your falafels done. And just another thing to expect on the day you're making your falafel is that it's going to be like the Wi-Fi went out. Everyone's going to come out of their rooms and they're going to start stealing a lot of the fresh falafel. So I think take that into consideration when you're preparing your quantity. Maybe about 25% are going to be stolen by your family. So make sure to account for that or discipline them. This time my mom didn't, because she knows we can't resist it when it's all nice and fresh and hot like this. But yeah, you do you. And I believe you're going to start to see me and my brother and my grandparents start to grab a couple of the, yeah, there you go. Usually I take a whole handful and I run away so that my mom can't hit me with her spoon. So that's my trick. You guys can try that too. So look, this is such an instructional video. It's how to evade your mom and make really good falafel, so it's perfect. And yeah, just finish those all and try to keep an open mind when your work is stolen away. And these cool breads that are all puffing up, we're going to link the video so that you can make those as well if you want to enjoy that. Same thing with the hummus that's in the center right there. My mom is going to link the video so that you guys could see how to make that too. So this is authentic breakfast. This is what the Jordanians do. And we have this actually pretty frequently just because it's so easy to make. We have this a lot and it's really, really, really good. And we like stuffing these sandwiches. I like the fact that they're small because you get flavor and all of the vegetables in every single bite. And it's super nice. So yeah, the way that my family likes to build the sandwich is some hummus, some cucumbers, some tomatoes, maybe some pickles. I honestly like it with just the falafel and the tomatoes. I know I'm pretty plain like that, but it tastes good too. Or you could just do falafel, but whatever you guys want, you just build your breakfast the way you prefer. And let us know how making these falafels went for you. And definitely keep trying, because my mom just leaves the paste in the fridge and it's good for a couple of days. She does this, not even a weekend food, this is a normal day food, so it's super yummy. We hope you guys enjoy this falafel. Let us know, and happy falafeling. Bye!